Alright guys, back with another video. Lost in translation. Hit the subscribe button, look right into this one. I wish it would wane. I wish it would wane. I am not Elmer Fudd, but Mayor Hawthorne, I wish it would rain. I'm just doing a little series of Mayor Hawthorne real quick in a row. Hey, no further ado, let's get into it. Wait till you hear how this drops.
Well, I wish that it would rain. Heavy rain down from the sky.
I have this thing that every time something's dope with music, I go, whoo! And that makes me want to go, whoo! Mad bored. This nigga always crying, man. Every time I'm around, that's all he does is cry. That's what she looks like. Look.
Well, I wish that it would rain. It would be a great disguise.
This video is sad.
And all of the raindrops that fall down on my face.
So I've definitely heard this song a lot of times, but I've never seen this video before.
Erase all the memories of you and your embrace. I long for the moment that I lose this bitter taste, and I don't want you to see me this way. Well, I wish that it would rain. Heavy rain down from the sky.
I've always loved high falsetto voices. I don't know if you've ever seen the movie 5 Heartbeats, but there's a part when he they're at the Apollo Theater and he comes out and they're singing and he's like, there's a heart in the house tonight. Stand up. And then choir boy comes out from the back and hits the falsetto ass high note that I won't even try. But I have always loved high falsettos. So if you haven't seen 5 Heartbeats, go check that movie out. It is a classic.
From the sky. Maybe then I wouldn't see you walking right on by.
What's crazy is to see these all these magazines. Look at all these from this is 10 15 years ago, so some of these might not even be around anymore.
Well, I wish that it would rain.
Back when people actually still read magazines.
Let it storm just for a while. Yeah, maybe then you wouldn't see the sadness in my smile.
Imagine if the weather, no matter where you went, the weather depicted how you felt. So if you were all cool inside and felt good, like a sun, like a big sun would like follow you around. But if you were feeling like angry, it'd be like all stormy and crazy and windy with hurricanes. But if you're just sad, it's like rainy, a big cloud just falls over and drenches you. Like that would be crazy to all of your different excitements and all of your different feelings being represented by actual weather right over your head everywhere you went. Hey, there'd be no more. Everyone would understand how everyone was feeling at every given moment.
For the moment that I lose this bitter taste, and I don't want you to see me this way.
I think those sound like French horns. I love horn sounds. Those sound like French horns.
Rain down, rain down. Rain down, rain down. Rain down, rain down on me.
Man, even looks like he's wearing a suede suit in the rain, which is no bueno for suede. If anybody knows about rain and suede, Seinfeld episode where he was wearing his new suede jacket when he met Elaine. He was supposed to meet Elaine's father and Elaine to go eat, and he had his jacket on, and it was raining outside, so he wanted to turn it inside out, but it had these like candy cane stripes on it. So the dude was like, man, what's with that jacket? Like, you're not gonna wear that walking down the street with me. So needless to say, he got his jacket ruined by the rain and the suede.
Rain down, rain.
Classic episode. If you don't fuck with Seinfeld, then I don't know, you can just
Rain down, rain.
unsubscribe because Seinfeld is L.I.T. So another video in the can. It is Mayor Hawthorne. Wish it would rain. Like I told you. So I just wanted to do a quick little series with Mayor Hawthorne to introduce everyone to them. If you've never heard them, go back and give them a listen. Like, subscribe, share it with people who care. Don't share it with people. Don't share it to people who don't. It's Marcus, Lost in Translation, and we out.